Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, introducing else statement. When a condition for an if statement is true, the block of code following it is executed. What about when the condition is false? Normally nothing would happen. With an else statement, an alternate block of code can be executed. So if something is true, then this block of code will run, else this block of code will run. So let's see the task for this challenge. Combine the if statement into single if else statement. So var result equal to empty string. If val is greater than 5, then result equal to bigger than 5, and we can use else statement here instead of double if else, and it should give the result, and we can show it in console by using console.log. We can see 5 or a smaller. In case of 5 or a smaller. In case of 6, bigger than 5. So you can see the result from test cases. So let's run the test, and successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.